Good morning, everybody. I just thought it'll be a good time to update you all on the status quo of our new tarmac runway. And behind me, you can see the new arrivals lounge. So we're really excited about this new product that we're launching. We'll be operating a charter shuttle service out of OR Tambo and Cape Town airports twice a week and flying our guests directly into Shamwari and out of Shamwari. We're using a Beechcraft 1900 plane, which will have 16 seats in it. And it's 2 hours and 15-minute flight from Johannesburg, and it'll be 1 hour and 45 from Cape Town, and we'll be using the services of a private lounge in Johannesburg as well as a signature private lounge at Cape Town Airport. So behind me you can see the 1.4 kilometer tarmac runway. It's 18 meters wide, it's got a 6-meter hard shoulder, and this runway is ideal for any plane with up to a maximum of 19 seats that can land here. So it'll be available for normal charter services. There'll be a parking area for planes to be able to overnight. There'll be pilot's accommodation here for charter services to overnight. And then on the apron to my left is where the Shamwari Air Shuttle plane will stop and where the guests will disembark. The other big advantage of this product is the fact that guests will be able to save themselves 4 to 5 hours of transit time as opposed to doing the normal commercial option. So they can get straight into the game reserve a lot faster and a lot quicker, and then you're straight into your lodge. From the runway to the respective lodges, it's a 15-minute transfer from the runway to Longley Manor and Riverdene Lodge, and a couple of minutes more to Serili, our private villa, and about 20 minutes to Sindila, our luxury tented lodge. To the northern lodges, the transfer time is 45 minutes, and it's a beautiful drive through the reserve on your way to Eagles Crag and Bayeti in the northern part of the reserve. It's a really exciting chapter in Shamwari's history, and we're really excited about it going forward.